Good evening, this is Sri Kaushi.
And R.S. Ashwin. Okay, in scheduling algorithm, there are 6 algorithms are there. They are first come first served scheduling algorithm, shortest job for scheduling algorithm, priority scheduling algorithm, round robin scheduling algorithm, multi-level queue scheduling algorithm, multi-level feedback queue scheduling algorithm. Now we are gonna to see about first come first scheduling algorithm. Before going to that, we're going to see what is scheduling algorithm. By this time everyone have to know about what is scheduling. First I will tell about scheduling. Scheduling is the action of assigning resources to perform the certain task. Scheduling activity is carried out by process called a scheduler. If you still not understand, let me explain clearly. Schedule means to do the certain job. For example, we want to do the assignment on Thursday at the time 11 o'clock. Before doing that, we schedule the assignment. So simple. தமிழில் சொல்லணும்னா நம்ம இப்போ ஒரு வேலை செய்கிறோம், அது என்னைக்கு சப்மிட் பண்ணணுன்றதை முன்னாடியே ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிறது. And scheduling algorithm is the algorithm which tells us how much CPU time we can allocate to the process. What is important in scheduling algorithm? First thing is minimizing response time, and it will maximize throughput and fairness share CPU among users in some equitable way. Sri Kaushi will explain about first come first served scheduling algorithm.
I am going to take the topic about first come first serve scheduling algorithms. In these algorithms, what is first, before going and entering into the topic, what is FCFS? Which the process which comes first, that will be the first that the CPU will allocate the process to do the process. So this is called an FCFS. And the FCFS average waiting time is calculated by adding the three processes P1, P2 and P3, and turnaround time calculated by completion time of the CPU. This is a process of scheduling first come first serve scheduling algorithms. There are many types of scheduling algorithms: first come first serve, shortest job first, priority, round robin, like that. There are many types of. So now we are seeing first come first serve scheduling algorithm.
In this process, we have to calculate average waiting time. It's so simple. We have to add the waiting time of the 3 processes. For process 1, it will take 0 as a waiting time because it is the initial state of the process. For P2, it takes 24 because it is the execution time of the process 1. For P3, it takes 27. And we have to calculate turnaround time. For turnaround time, we have to add the completion time of the 3 processes. For process 1, it will complete at 24 milliseconds. For process 2, it will wait until the process 1 completion. After that, it will gain 3 burst time and it will complete at 27 milliseconds. For P3, it will wait until the process 1 completion and process 2 completion, and it will gain 3 burst time and complete at 30 milliseconds.
Thank you.
Thank you.